The Roman Empire didn't just conquer lands, they built an astonishing network of roads, spanning over 250,000 miles. This vast infrastructure connected their entire empire. These weren't simple dirt paths. They were engineering marvels designed for extreme durability, constructed with layers of gravel, sand, packed earth, and large paving stones. They were built to last. Remarkably, some sections of these ancient roads are still in use today. 2 millennia later, their primary purpose was rapid military movement and efficient logistical supply for armies. Roman legions could march astonishing distances, up to 25 miles a day, on these well-maintained routes. Milestones, often inscribed pillars, marked distances and guided travelers across vast territory. This incredible road system also facilitated trade, communication, and the widespread diffusion of Roman culture. A true testament to ancient Roman ingenuity, connecting the world centuries before modern transportation.